Hi dudes, Sunday morning, 9 o'clock, and we have a problem. Right, went out yesterday to White Rose Centre, had a really good day out. Had the buffet at the Pizza Hut, which was excellent, and came to come home, feed wound the window down to move the mirror back out, and here it still stays. Isn't that fabulous? Now this switch, it don't feel right at all. There's a definite click there, but this one, it don't feel right, so I'm hoping it's just the switch. But the window's stuck halfway down. The priority is to get the glass back up. So first of all, I checked the fuse. I've already done it, to be fair, and it were okay. Put that out. Fuses are on the back, like so, and the one we want is one there. Second one up, third row in, and as you can see, the same fuse covers both doors, which is bad because the driver's door works fine. And the fuse in question, yes, it would be, that torch would be advisable. It's that one there. It's 30 amp and it's fine, so that's not the problem. I knew that, to be fair, because the driver's door works. There we go. Now I have to put this back. This particular model, it seems like I'm going to have to get a torch. And there it lands right. Hooks on the back there. Like so. That's it. Oh, there we go. And you put all your stuff back in. Later models I think are slightly different, but we'll come to that in a bit. Priority now, get the bloody window shut, because it's going to tickle down and it's raining. It's going to rain. Right, so next job, pull this switch out. Aha, that's the old favourite, look. Once you start hearing the snap of breaking plastic, come on, you know you're nearly in. I have to say, that's impressively strong. Right, and now I have to prise that off. I know. Aha! So a little tab round the back, and the back of there, and then you go widdly widdly widdly. Okay. Yeah, that's how you do it. Look. Yeah, not to it. Right, now we'll pop these tabs in, pop the switch out. Pop, of course, is a relative term. There we go, like so. Right, one switch removed. Now, as it happens, guys and girls, I know where there's another one. So, I shall return shortly. And we're back with another one. This one feels better. Right, the acid test. Might as well test it before we put it in. Because if it don't work, then we'll have to take the regulator out. So, pop that in. Right, the acid test. Ignition on. Oh, blooming marvellous. Oh, I just love that. I just love stuff like this. This is bloody great. So we've changed the switch. Job's a good one. So that was... I know there's a switch on the door side, but that wouldn't work either, which was quite worrying. But this doesn't feel right at all. It doesn't click, so that's too bad. This is good. I'm happy. Chuffing job's a good one. Right, I'm going to put this bloody panel back. I love a simple fix. How often does that happen? Not often at all. Now I'm going to have to get this off again now. Alright, thank you. Yeah, okay. I'll best turn the ignition off, shall I? It's all a question of getting it right. Right. That pops back in there. That pops back in there. This pops down there. And then feed the top in first. Where's the clips go? Aha. Okay, and then you go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm a happy bunny. Right, that's it. Sorry, I'm off for some breakfast. Whoopee! Simple fix. Yeah, great. So, thanks for all stinky dying. We've got a parts car. Straight away, turned out to be the switch. Although you could see it didn't feel right. It wasn't feeling right to start with. Right, I'm off for some breakfast. I shall. Thanks for watching. Don't get lost or squashed. And I'll see you in a bit.